right, this is update number 12 for the Dream Woodshop build for Trapdoor Woodworks. I haven't had a lot to update recently because it's been so cold out, but in this update there is a good amount. I got this furnace converted over to propane and I got it installed. There's videos on all that. Today I hooked up the propane and we had the propane company come out and pressure test it. There are no leaks. I also tested this whole area here with soap. Obviously no leaks. I have the thermostat wire run. That's that curled up one right there. And it runs to over here. We have the power run to the box up there. I still have to run BX over to the box here, but that goes to right here. I'm going to hook that up to this, and we're going to have temporary power to it so I can fire this up. What I need to do is test the other side of the valve there. I need 10 inches of water column on that side. We have 12.5 inches on this side, which is perfect. So once that test is done, I'll have to do the adjustment and stuff and get it to 10 inches. Once that's done, I can close this up. This week, I'm going to be putting the other half of the thimble in and putting the drain on here. Let me show you that real quick. This is the drain right here. This little section gets hooked up to the furnace like that. And then any water, any condensate that comes back to the furnace will go into this right here and drain through that. Then it'll go right through the wall. So by next week's update, update number 13, I should have heat out here, and it's going to be real nice for the next 10 days at least. So I should have heat out here, and I don't know how far I'll get on the ceiling, but I'm expecting by the next update to be on my last panel before finishing up this wall. I have to finish up this wall to put the very last piece on, so I should be right up to here somewhere by next week. So make sure you subscribe and come back next week, and we should have heat out here.